Hello everyone, my name is Sriniket and I'm here to help you understand how any coding problem should be approached inside your mind. I'll convey this with a simple example and here we go. First step, learn the basics of the language. Choose one language, learn its fundamentals. This is the most important step. I'm trying to emphasize this because though writing a program is the motto here, understanding any program is the key prerequisite before trying to write one. There are a variety of languages you can choose from: C, C++, Java, Python, and many more. If you're stuck in choosing, try each one for some time and go on with whatever makes you feel comfortable. Don't be disappointed with the amount of time you're putting on while trying to so many alternatives. It'll be worth in the end. My advice is stop the video right here, go choose one and then unpause it. Even if it takes just a minute because you already have one in mind, or even if it takes a whole week. The wise thing to do here is to control your curiosity for watching the rest of the video and show that curiosity in trying out different languages. Second step, understanding a few basic programs. Once you're comfortable with a language, the next step is to learn a few programs. Now, the question that arises is, how do we learn? To simply put, visualize the problem as a nutshell. You try to hit and hit it again, but it doesn't crack at all. Rather than letting the fear of not seeing a crack on the nutshell consume us, the key here is to truly understand what material it's made of. Similarly, you have to understand how the core of the program works. This might include the nature of a small operator, the data types, and the conversions. It can even be as small as a variable assignment operation. Learn their natures and you will be easily able to understand where you're going wrong, and your fear will turn into excitement and curiosity. In the description below, I've given a few basic programs for beginners. Do check it out. And as I have said in the previous step, pause the video and continue watching once you have finished this step. It'll be a wise choice indeed. Now, we move on to the third and final step, that is, start writing programs. Now that you know how to organize problems in your mind, the best step to do here is to start writing programs. This can be done with the assistance of some platforms such as Coding Ninjas, LeetCode, CodeChef, and etc. Now, I personally use LeetCode because I like the usability and user interface of it. But my best advice here is to not ponder over which platform to use, but to start somewhere, because you'll eventually end up in a place where the usability is to your liking. And another thing, final advice before I go off is take action, because without action, there is nothing that can be achieved.